Today topic is electrochemical cells. These are also known as galvanic or voltaic cells. Voltaic cells. Voltaic cells. Galvanic or voltaic cells. Now, one statement here. The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. The chemical energy converting into electrical energy. This is the main thing here. The electrochemical cells. What is happening here? Chemical energy. Chemical energy is converting into electrical energy. Electrical energy. And electrical energy, if it is converting into chemical energy, that is electrolytic cells. Electrolysis reaction होता है. ठीक है? We will use the battery. Okay, that time electricity consuming and takes place chemical reaction. But here chemical reaction say electricity producing. Okay, so chemical energy is converting into electrical energy. Main purpose of this electrochemical cells, right? So this rough figure, two cells we will take it. One is zinc sulfate solution. Mein we are taking zinc rod, and in the copper sulfate solution, yes, copper rod, copper sulfate solution, copper. Then these two are connecting, these two electrodes. These two electrodes connecting. Here one voltmeter is there. This is a voltmeter. Now, in the zinc sulfate solution, we know that zinc plus 2 ions plus sulfate 2 minus. In the copper sulfate solution, copper plus 2 ions, then sulfate 2 minus ions are there. Right? Now, what will happen? Here, zinc and copper is there. So the electron flow started from zinc to copper. The electron will moving from zinc to copper. Okay. So why it is moving, we will discuss. First of all, this electron is moving from zinc to copper. Here, general concept is highly reactive metal always losing electrons. The less reactive metal gaining electrons. If you see the electrochemical series, reactivity series, in that series hydrogen is there, बीच में hydrogen से copper, silver, gold ऐसा होता है इधर, इससे better zinc. Okay, so zinc and copper में you can see here zinc and copper less reactive, it is more reactive. So more reactive element losing electrons and less reactive element is taking electrons. Okay, then what's happening here? This is oxidation takes place. Oxidation. This one is reduction takes place here. Reduction takes place. What's happening in the oxidation reaction here? Zinc is losing electrons and forming zinc plus 2 or 2 plus. Then copper 2 plus ion taking 2 electrons and forming copper. Is getting deposit. Here 2 electrons losing. We know that loss of electron is oxidation. That's why oxidation. Here gaining of electron is reduction. So the electron is moving here. Now here one important point is, what about the current direction? They will ask you current direction. The current direction is opposite होता है. This is the C, current direction. Current direction is this opposite of electron flow. Opposite of electron flow. That is the current direction. Right? Oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. When this reaction is going on, what will happen? This zinc is converting into zinc plus 2 ions. So initially, just you assume that, so 100 or 1000 it may be. Okay, 1000 zinc plus 2 ions are there. Starting में 1000 sulfate 2 minus ions are there. एक rough number there. Right? Here also just you assume that 1000 copper plus 2, copper 2 plus, these are 1000 are there. Then sulfate 2 minus ions are 1000 is there. Right? When reaction started, after reaction starting, then zinc is converting into zinc plus 2. Then the zinc plus 2 it may be becoming 1100. Sulfate to as it is. Zinc plus 2 ions are increasing. Understood this concept? Initially I am taking zinc sulfate and copper sulfate. So zinc sulfate may, if zinc is 1000 is there, obviously sulfate will be 1000. Here in the copper sulfate may, copper 2 plus 1000 means obviously sulfate also 1000. There is no doubt in that. Now reaction started. When reaction started, the zinc is converting into zinc 2 plus zinc ion. So the zinc ions are increasing after 2 minutes or 5 minutes suppose. After 5 minutes, the 1000 becoming 1100. Okay. Then sulfate ions as it is. Next here what's happening? The Cu2 plus is converting into Cu. So this 1000 becoming 900. Okay. What about the sulfate? Sulfate as it is. So final conclusion क्या है? After 5 minutes, so zinc plus 2. This total area, this in this cell, the positive charge is accumulated. Means positive charge is dominating. See initially plus 2 minus 2 number equal the neutral. Now 1100 this sulfate only 1000. So resultant charge is positive. So this cell total becoming positive. Now here pilot the neutral, but this copper plus 2 becoming less. So negative is 1000 now. So this total cell becoming negative charge. एक positive cell बन गया, एक negative cell बन गया. So later this reaction will get stopped. There is no further reaction. So if you want to continue the reaction, we have to neutralize these cells. That's why we are taking here one salt bridge. Salt bridge is just U-shaped tube. This is the salt bridge I am taking. What is there in the salt bridge? Generally KCl or ammonium nitrate. दोनों में anyone. Suppose I am taking KCl, right? KCl is there. What will happen? See, KCl is there. In this cell, positive charge accumulated, right? Then here Cl minus ions are dissolving. Cl minus ions. What happened here? Cl minus this zinc plus 2. How many zinc plus 2 are raising? Those many Cl minus dissolving here. Zinc plus 2, Cl minus zinc chloride, neutral. This is getting neutralization. Right. Here KCl is there. So which charge is becoming more? Negative charge. So इसमें K plus is dissolving more. K plus. Then K plus sulfate minus potassium sulfate, neutral. This cell also becoming neutral. Then the reaction will continue until total zinc rod will get dissolved. After dissolving पूरा zinc rod होने के बाद बस that's up to that. Okay. So salt bridge का purpose understood. What is the main purpose of this salt bridge? To neutralize these half cells. This is one half cell. This is one half cell. Reduction half cell, oxidation half cell. These half cells को neutralize कर. If it is neutral, then only the further reaction will carry. Otherwise, the charge is accumulated, it will be stopped. Understood? So this is the current. We can make a battery. Like this we can make a battery. Just you take 2 beakers, copper sulfate and zinc sulfate solution and copper rod and zinc rod dip it. Just connect the wires. You take small LED bulb, then it will glow. That's only battery. Okay? So just you please draw this. Here this zinc rod is anode. Zinc rod is anode. Then this copper rod is cathode. Copper rod is cathode. And one thing you have to remember, at anode always oxidation reaction takes place. At anode always oxidation reaction takes place. At cathode always reduction reaction takes place. Reduction reaction. Now in the exam, competitive exams, they will ask you, what is the charge of this anode? What is the charge of this anode? Here many students will confuse, because in the electrolytic cell and in the galvanic cell the charge is opposite. Okay, now see, the electron is flowing towards this right side. Okay, ये electron को ले रहे, it is taking the electron means what it would be, the charge would be plus or minus. It is taking means it will, when it will take, whenever it is positive then only it will take. Whenever it is positive then only it can take the electron. It is attracting the electron. Negative charge को attract कर रहा है मतलब ये कौन होगा? तो positive होगा. So that's why it is, the cathode is here, positive charge. The zinc is C, electron producing here, electron producing. So what are those? Negative charge producing. कैसे दिखते हैं हमको? Negative negative पूरा. That's why it is negative charge. Okay, negative charge there, positive charge. Point. Next, every time no need to draw this figure. So we will write cell notation. Cell notation करके लिखते cell notation. In the cell notation we will write left side oxidation reaction, right side reduction. One thing you remember, right or reduction or right side reduction reaction. See, this is the salt bridge. Right side में reduction reaction. What is the reduction reaction here? Copper plus 2, copper 2 plus is converting into copper. Then here zinc is oxidized to zinc 2 plus. बस इसमें पूरा cell आ गया. It is indicating salt bridge. Salt bridge left side is oxidation, right side is reduction. No need to write this is oxidation and reduction. It is a fixed IUPAC convention. This one. Left side always oxidation, right side always reduction. By this, watching this also you can understand zinc is converting into zinc plus 2, matlab oxidation, copper plus 2 converting into copper means reduction. Okay, this is called cell notation. Cell notation, right? It is indicating this total figure. Next heading is electrode potential. Write the definition. The potential difference between electrode, the potential difference between electrode and its ions in the solution. 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 See, this is the electrode, zinc electrode is there. This is zinc sulfate. We are adding zinc sulfate, right? Sulfate. Now between zinc plus 2 and zinc, I mean, two possibilities are there. This zinc, it may convert into zinc 2 plus, or zinc 2 plus may convert into zinc. Two probabilities are there. ये दोनों के बीच में fighting. Okay? Either converting into zinc to zinc plus 2 or zinc 2 plus 2 zinc. So this is only potential difference. अभी whenever war will start, India and Pakistan or India and China, दोनों border में army खड़े रहते हैं. That is potential difference. Until the bell means anyone will give the command, there is no fight. But they are ready. the potential difference. Okay, कुछ भी हो सकता है, इधर से उधर से इधर, कुछ भी हो सकता है. That is decided by it is attaching with whom, this one. ये suppose copper है तो copper is taking electrons, so taking electron means so losing electrons, so here zinc is converting into zinc 2 plus if it is copper. Suppose here iron is there, sir, iron, suppose magnesium is there, magnesium is there, then magnesium is more reactive. In that case what will happen? Magnesium is giving electrons, in that case the zinc plus 2 is converting into zinc. Either it is getting oxidation or reduction, that is decided by the attached next electrode. वो electrode decided. Until that, here the potential difference is creating. Okay, this is the potential. Electrode potential. Electrode potential means, understood? One statement, right? Next, it is depends on nature of the metal. It is depends on nature of the metal. Second point, concentration of the ions in the solution. Concentration of the ions in solution. The third one is temperature. Temperature. Next heading is types of electrode potentials. These are two types: oxidation potential and reduction potential. Oxidation potential and reduction potential. Oxidation potential and reduction potential. Now each one statement you write it. Oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. It is the tendency of the electrode. It is the tendency of the electrode. It is the tendency of the electrode to lose electrons. To lose electrons. To lose electrons, and as a result, it gets oxidized. As a result, it gets oxidized. Example, M is used as to Mn plus n electrons, or zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. Oxidation potential. It is the tendency of losing electrons, simply. Okay. Next, reduction potential. It is the tendency of the electrode. It is the tendency of the electrode to accept electrons. It is the tendency of the electrode to accept electrons. To accept electrons, and as a result, it gets reduced. It gets reduced. Mn plus n electrons is giving M for metal. Example, copper 2 plus taking 2 electrons, getting copper. It is the tendency of electrode. Which tendency? Accepting the electrons. Tendency. What is the result? Undergoing reduction. Okay. This is the electron losing tendency. This is the electron gaining tendency. Oxidation potential and reduction potential. Next heading, standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. The electrode potential measured with a standard reference electrode is called standard electrode potential. इसका मतलब ये है, दिस इज ऑलरेडी रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल बात किया था. नाउ स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल विथ रेस्पेक्ट कुछ ना कुछ होना चाहिए. विथ रेस्पेक्ट, सी सपोज कार्बन इज देयर, कार्बन का मास तो 12, the olden days we given to that 12 AMU. That means 1 AMU means something is there. 1 AMU something is there with the respective of that mass, it is a 12 times more. Okay, initially they took that this is the hydrogen weight. Now it's different. Carbon C12 में 12th part. But in the olden days में carbon 12 means hydrogen mass से 12 times more. So whatever we are, even fluorine electron negativity we are giving 4. वो 4 कैसे electron negativity? With respect to some element, with respect to suppose hydrogen is there, hydrogen का 1 है तो with respect to hydrogen 4 times it can take the electrons. That is the electron negativity with respect to something is there. So that's why I mentioned that reference electrode is. Now what is the reference electrode? Next heading, reference electrode. Reference electrode. Reference electrode. Generally, hydrogen electrode taken as reference electrode. Hydrogen electrode taken as reference electrode. Hydrogen electrode taken as reference electrode. In 1 m HCl solution, in 1 m HCl solution at 1 atm pressure, at 1 atm pressure, at 1 atm pressure, hydrogen absorbed platinum electrode in 1 m HCl solution at 1 atm. Hydrogen adsorbed platinum electrode is dipped. It is also known as standard hydrogen electrode. It is also known as standard hydrogen electrode. It is also known as standard hydrogen electrode. Its value is 0. Its value is taken as 0. Its value is taken as 0. Okay. So just before I made one cell, similar cell, we have to take it again. Here zinc rod is there, zinc sulfate solution is there. Now it is connecting with now see this one is the platinum. See hydrogen तो gas था, hydrogen is gas से electron नहीं बन सकता. That's why whenever you read hydrogen, we are taking as a catalyst is platinum. platinum and hydrogen का good relation, so it is a good absorber. ठीक है, so it is absorbing this hydrogen gas, right? So where we are keeping this, see zinc rod and zinc sulfate है तो hydrogen and H plus वाला, that is HCl. We are taking HCl solution. We are taking the measuring the value में कभी भी we have to take some standard conditions. Standard condition. Generally temperature I did not mention. Temperature also you have to mention. That is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then pressure होना चाहिए 1 atm. Right. Then pressure, temperature. Then concentration क्या है 1 mHCl. Okay. Now here two things. Hydrogen is there. Hydrogen it may convert into 2H plus, then this H plus it may convert into H2. Two possibilities are there, right? Taking 2 electrons. Two possibilities. Oxidation भी हो सकता है, reduction also it may take place, right? Now that is depends on this one. That depends on the next step. Suppose here hydrogen and zinc में which is a more reactive? Which is more reactive? Zinc is more reactive. Okay, here voltmeter is there, right? So electron flow is like this. What is this electron flow? Now in this case, so of course here also we are taking standard condition. Standard electrode potential already written. This is also 1 m zinc sulfate. Then zinc rod is there. उसका तो concentration कुछ नहीं. Then temperature to 25 degrees Celsius, right? Now in this case, take ideal. In this case, whatever this voltmeter is showing the reading, that reading is belongs to this zinc electrode potential. क्योंकि इसको तो जीरो मान लिया, इसको तो जीरो है. Now whatever is giving the reading, this reading is belongs to this zinc rod. Now ये value है suppose 0.33. 0.56 is there. Okay, exact value I will give you. .76, right? 0.76 at standard conditions. This zinc and hydrogen electrode, the cell is producing 0.76 voltage. Now this 0.76 value is assigned to zinc. Now again question, ये zinc reductive potential है या oxidative potential? Then again doubt. Now what's happening here? Zinc, is it getting oxidation or reduction? Oxidation. Electron उधर जा रहा है, so zinc is converting into zinc plus 2, right? That means oxidation. So this value is zinc oxidative potential. Oxidative potential OP value कितना था 0.76 oxidative potential. लेकिन if I want reduction potential I can represent this value zinc reduction potential is Rp, that is equal to same numerical minus 0.76 plus 0.76 means actually वो होता है oxidative potential means oxidation tendency 0.76 compared to hydrogen. See, hydrogen also can oxidize, zinc also can oxidize, लेकिन दोनों में zinc can oxidize 0.76 times better than hydrogen. That's why zinc is donating electrons to hydrogen. Finally, zinc is getting oxidation. How much is the value? 0.76. Suppose दोनों को सेम है, there is no electron flow. ठीक है, ये ज्यादा है इसलिए इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग टू हाइड्रोजन. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 0.76 times greaterly it can donate. What is that value is called? Oxidative potential. Why? Because it is getting oxidation. This much clear. But in the question, whenever you are going to solve the numerical, उसमें कभी भी you required reductive potential you required. Reductive potential. उसमें क्या करना है? ये oxidative potential को convert into reduction potential. What to do? Just sign difference. Numerical में there is no change. See, I given him 10 rupees. Okay, so he will tell that I given to sir minus 10 rupees. I given to sir minus 10 rupees. What is the meaning? Indirectly minus into minus plus. जैसा है वो मैं नहीं दिया है, वो उधर से मैं लिया. That is the meaning. Similarly, here जिंक का भी क्वेश्चन में देखा है, जिंक का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल वैल्यू माइनस 0.76 मीन्स यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज नॉट अंडरगोइंग रिडक्शन. रिडक्शन मतलब क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन टेकिंग. इट इज नॉट अंडरगोइंग रिडक्शन, इट इज अंडरगोइंग ऑक्सीडेशन. उल्टा. सपोज कॉपर का रहता है, कॉपर का जनरली 0.33 या 35 दे. What is this value, sir? इधर कुछ नहीं मेंशन किया, neither given the oxidation or given the reduction. Even though we have to understand, always in the textbook they will give you reduction potential values only unless they mention it is oxidative potential. Oxidative potential है तो they will mention oxidative potential. Normally just the given value means that is reduction potential value only. Because IUPAC they given some rules, always we have to represent the reduction potential values only. So copper का 0.33 दिया है, मतलब obviously it is reduction potential value. What is the meaning of this? Hydrogen also can get reduction, copper also can get reduction. ठीक है, ये दोनों में copper getting reduction compared to hydrogen 0.33 times better. दोनों का अभी एक तो ये कॉपर है या हाइड्रोजन है, दोनों के बीच में इलेक्ट्रॉन रखा है. हु विल टेक द इलेक्ट्रॉन? फर्स्ट कॉपर विल टेक द इलेक्ट्रॉन. टेंडेंसी इसको ज्यादा है. हाउ मच टेंडेंसी? 0.33 टाइम्स. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? राइट. EMF means first you write the full name. Electromotive force. Electromotive force. EMF, electromotive force. Write one statement. It is the difference in the electrode potentials. It is the difference in the electrode potentials. It is the difference in the electrode potentials when no current flows through the cell. It is the difference in the electrode potentials when no current flows through the cell. Okay? Then it is also we are showing with E0, E0. कभी भी ऊपर 0 आ गया मतलब that is standard value. E0 cell equal E cathode minus E anode. E cathode minus E anode. और E reduction potential value of cathode minus E reduction potential value of anode. E cathode minus E anode means E means here this reduction potential value, right? You will take one question. At standard conditions, calculate the EMF of a zinc copper battery or cell. at standard conditions, calculate the EMF of zinc copper EMF, zinc copper battery or cell. See here, one is copper sulfate में zinc and zinc sulfate, right? So zinc obviously is getting zinc plus 2 oxidation, then copper getting reduction by taking 2 electrons. This oxidative potential value is given zinc how much zinc just before we return? 0.76, right? For the copper, (0.34). For this copper, 0.34. Now, if we make a battery with zinc and copper, okay, now what is the resultant voltage? See, zinc is pushing the electron with 0.76 force, copper taking the electron with 0.34. Then what will happen? What is the resultant force? That is with some x force pushing, it is y force pulling. Then total becomes x plus y. Yes, x plus y. So your answer will be 0.76 plus 0.34. That means what is your answer? 71. 1.1. 1.1. Right. The 1.1 volt is this. See, but numerical may what? According to this formula. See, what I have to take? Cathode. What is the cathode here? This is the cathode. This is the cathode. Right. This is the anode. Right. Cathode minus anode. Cathode value. What is the cathode value? 0.34. Right. 0.34 minus reduction potential value of anode. Anode का value क्या था? 0.76. लेकिन 0.76 क्या है? तो whenever is reaction like this, ये ऑक्सीडेटिव पोटेंशियल दिया था, हम रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल में कन्वर्ट करना है. उसका मतलब क्या है? माइनस 0.76 होगा. माइनस 0.76. Then minus into minus plus, your answer will be again 1.1. If you know the concept, उधर से भी डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can apply the formula and you can do it. Okay, like this. Bas, note down this. So here 4 reactions are there. I will explain you the first. What to do? E naught cell you have to calculate. E naught cell formula is E naught cell equal E cathode minus E anode. E cathode minus E anode. Right. Abhi these values you will get from the textbook. These values you will get from the textbook. So now what is the E cathode? First you decide. E cathode is iron. Iron Fe3 plus 2 change हो रहा है Fe2 plus. इसका value minus anode. I minus is converting into I2. ये दोनों तो values है from the textbook. See Fe3 plus 2, Fe2 plus. This value is 0.77. This value is 0.77 from the textbook. When I minus is converting into I2, this value is 0.54. Then your answer will be 0.23. You are getting positive value. That is why this reaction is feasible or positive. Okay, like this you have to do. Suppose if you are getting negative charge, negative value, that reaction cannot take place.